Listen, I'm the baddest in the school.
Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to a vlog. So y'all, today is gonna be a fun vlog. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach, y'all, and we're going shopping. If you're wondering like who is we, my homegirl. If you watched my last vlog, we're going with Naya. So yeah, I'm looking super cute. Let me show y'all what I got on. This is just like my mall outfit because obviously I cannot wear no bathing suit in the mall. I just got on this black tube dress and then I paired it with this gold bag and these little flat sandals and then some simple accessories, some gold earrings, you know, nothing major. But I feel like these shades, I feel like the shades kind of give it that 2014 look, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially with the bun, like, I don't know, it's giving, like, ah. And y'all, I cannot wait to show y'all my bathing suit. It's so cute. I got this polka dot bathing suit, y'all, and it's really, really cute. And then the cover up is like a skirt, y'all. And yeah, so. But I'm about to pack up everything. Ooh, ooh. So I'm about to pack up everything. We're gonna be down there all day, y'all. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be tired. So I might not feel like driving back home. So I might end up just staying at my grandma's house. But yeah, I'm gonna bring my speaker, y'all. We might not use it because this is a big speaker, but just in case we want to use it. I got a blanket. Yeah, but I'm gonna talk to y'all once I meet up with her, or I might like talk to y'all in the car, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so we're at Shania's house. She's doing her makeup. And we always got two different vibes going on, but we both got dresses on. Yeah. I just want to take some pictures, so. Because I ain't getting in no water. Right. Okay, show them your outfit.
Okay.
Oh, OTD.
This is my fit. Fashion Nova. Everything from Fashion Nova.
Period. Cute. Classy. Girly.
And body tee. Body by her mom.
Like, dress rainbow. Shania on the bag. Jewelry. Flags. Simple. Cute. Okay, y'all. So we about to get ready to go.
Let's go to the beach.
Beach, what they gonna say? Okay. But yeah, y'all, we about to go to the beach. Y'all, I'm super excited and I'm ready to go to the beach. Like, I think we're gonna stay so we can watch like the sunset and everything. So I'm super excited for that. And also, we're going shopping too. We're going shopping. And what else? I thought I had something else to say. I guess not, but. Y'all, we got two different aesthetics going on. Like, I wish I would have known she was wearing something like more flowy, you feel me? I'm wearing something like bodycon, but I feel like this is cute for shopping, you know?
I was on the plane with the wine. You can go to hell, man. Listen, I'm the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane.
Look, Shania! Oh my God!
Turn the whole car off.
I was hoping you would turn it down, but I
Just turn the whole car off.
I don't even want to get out.
Let him go first. First of all, let's start. He needs to leave before we get out.
You know that nigga fumble. Swag.
20,000 once. She said I'm that nigga, I already know it. I come with bad weather. They say I'm a storm.
Yo, brought out the pink Lamborghini just to race with China.
Life, I know, baby, you a writer, and I love when you write it slow. Now she tell me, girl. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty on me, she came in the door. She my track queen, let her hit the band.
Okay, y'all, we made it to the outlet. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to find a new dress. Okay, y'all, we back. I had to change. Did you want to look at Sephora?
Yeah, I
Okay. I'm about to say Ulta is definitely like better, not gonna lie. We sure didn't. Alright, y'all, we got some Auntie Amy.
did. In Jamaica.
Where are you? Here.
I couldn't imagine being a boy.
I know, right?
Imagine not being able to do it.
And imagine spending your money on a girl.
Like, I be feeling bad, like, but I ask for everything in the world. I don't care.
I'm sorry. If I was a nigga,
You wouldn't get shit from me.
ain't it?
No, for real. I'll be
And you better not have that baby.
If I give you that money, I'm going with you to make sure you get to go home.
I hope it don't rain. It's like a little cloud.
Yeah, I don't try no work too fast. I just let me go with my day. Just the snack I needed.
I'm so glad I'm on that dress. Okay, y'all, we about to go to TJ Maxx and Ulta. I'll talk to you once we come back. Hey, we at the beach, y'all. We at the beach, y'all. We at the beach. We at the beach, y'all. We at the beach. We at the beach, y'all. We at the beach. Like your friend, dude. It's on that beach. You know, this
Fuck that nigga, we didn't y'all know what the fuck going on.
Okay, y'all, so we at the beach and it's cold, so I got this blanket on. Look at Shania looking cute. Hey. Let me take this off. Dang, I should have brought a speaker. It's in the trunk.
I took it out my trunk. I just did that like 2 days ago.
I put it in your trunk. I brought a speaker.
Really?
You wanna go get it? Alright, let's go get it.
That's a lot.
We ain't got nothing but time.
No, seriously.
Huh? It's stinking here.
I'm irritated.
Alright, y'all, so I changed my outfit. Cute. We're trying to find somewhere to sit. Alright, where do you want to sit? Do you want to sit right here?
Yes.
Alright.
Where you go? Everywhere we go, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other.
They stupid now because people got food.
Throw it out now.
Girl, one time one of these things attacked me.
Yeah, we could.
Because I had food.
Yeah, when we was, I don't know what beach we was at, but you know my cousin Tavion, he had food and they kept getting, like, they came all the way down. It was surrounding him, and like he was running and trying to fight them.
Let me turn this like that fake peaceful music. No, it is though. This is that fake peace music. Okay, so my phone is on 2%, and yeah, I'm gonna try to build a sandcastle. All right, y'all. So I'm about to build a sandcastle. Wait, this is like I got sand all in her jacket. Once my camera down, I'm going back. I'm gonna make a snowman. A beach snowman. I really need some water. Well, maybe I'm not gonna make a sandcastle. I mean a snowman. Look at this bird. Okay, y'all, I buried my legs in the sand. I can't even move.
I didn't even know he was still going.
This is the piece that you cannot buy. Alright, let me try to get up. Get up.
My makeup done for you. My eyes is watering.
Oh, girl, that ain't nothing. I thought I could. Girl, I thought I had to struggle to get up. Alright, let me go rinse off. Sound? Yep. This water is cold. I'm lying. Come on, Grandma. It looks fun though, but the water is kind of scary. Uh-huh. This is the look at her. Cause why I'm that far with my phone in my camera?
Right.
Okay, y'all. So we at the gas station. She's using the bathroom, and it is 7:26. 7:26. We got to go eat. I'm hungry. We're about to eat our leftovers. Okay, y'all. We're about to eat our leftovers. Cause we had we had so much food left, y'all. Don't eat no shrimp, Shania. Dang, I should have drizzled some of that white sauce on top. Okay, we about to eat, y'all. So, toodles.